To begin using the Adaptiv, your radio must be set to aux. To access the Adaptiv, press and hold the media button. One of the biggest aspects of the Adaptiv is the AYGO Navigation system. Once accessed, you will be able to calculate and choose fast, easy routes by either laying down a marker on the map or by entering either a zip or postcode. The navigation also includes green routing options, as well as stunning 3D visualizations, which will provide a rapid understanding of your next manoeuvre. By attaching a DAB tuner to your Adaptiv, you can then access a wide range of digital radio stations. The amount of stations available to you is dependent on your location and signal strength. To utilise the HDMI input, simply attach a HDMI cable to both the Adaptiv's side port and your smartphone. The Adaptiv will then mirror image your phone's live feed, changing resolution when any media is accessed. Heading now to the settings menu, you have the chance to adjust options regarding the media's input, the orientation of the navigation sound output, the HDMI input compatibility, the colour appearance of the Adaptiv, the set language, and much more. Scrolling left, we can see the second half of the Adaptiv's menu. Once you attach USB, it will automatically take over and begin playing the first file found. Through the USB menu, you are then able to listen to music as well as view pictures and movies via your OEM display, provided they are the relevant format. By accessing the File submenu, you are then able to view any and all files on both SD and USB. In the Info tab, you can view the current firmware of your Adaptiv. Finally, we have the Sound menu, wherein you are able to change the audio levels of all the inputs the Adaptiv has to offer.